Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Pharma Job Alert. So today in this video, we're going to see vacancy for QC production packing departments. Minimum 1 year of experience is required. And coming to the vacancy details, so in order to attend this walk-in interview, prior registration is mandatory. Scan the QR code by taking a screenshot and register yourself. And the date of walk-in is 7th September at Aurobindo Pharma Limited, Unit 3, Bachpalli, Hyderabad. So kindly you need to bring updated resume, educational documents, PAN, Aadhaar, recent increment letter with CTC last 3 months pay slips and bank statement. So my dear friends, the way qualification is M.Pharm, B.Pharm, M.Sc, B.Sc, Diploma, ITI. So these are the qualifications required. Minimum 1 year experience, maximum 3 years experience. If you are unable to attend, you can share your resume to the mail ID provided here. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. For more interesting job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel, where you will get regular job updates for both freshers and experience. And also share our channel with word of mouth to every friends who are in search of job. Thank you.